Hello everyone, for today's video, we will tour you around El Rancho. It takes about 7 hours more or less from Manila to this place. This is one of my favorite outings so far. We arrived around 11 a.m. so we had our lunch at their restaurant. They served their fresh catfish and it was so yummy.
Can I sleep a little bit? I'll film later.
Okay. You can sit there.
Yeah, maybe. Wait lang. We're waiting for it.
There's a French fries here.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Bring the fries here, Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, bring the fries here.
Okay.
Okay.
Daddy.
You go, you go. I watch you. I'm watching you.
What she wants?
Private land. No.
Sit here, babe.
Come on, you. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump.
Jump, dali. Oh, it's a baby.
Don't be scared. It's oh my god.
It's okay.
I don't want to hold anymore.
Okay, Kara, dali. Your turn, dali.
Come here.
Ego niya.
Ate Anya, dali. Be, hold this, be.
Yeah, lakas mabibig.
Oh, hungry all the time.
Like me. It's like me.
Ah, so cute.
Meron sa isa. This is sheep. Ayaw, Kim.
Ayaw, Reed, kay kawawa also sa baby. When you were a baby, you do this. Good job, Annette. Ah.
Calle Anda.
Hello.
May nanak ulit ba kagabi?
Oh, look at that.
Sino yun? Ang pangalan ng ininin? Ay, yung isang...
Go na. Ako, I'll be in the first. Follow me.
Ate Manila, kapagpadete ka na ba?
Kaya ko yung padidi.
Ate Anya is the other one. There, dito sa babae. Aris. Go, hold the other one. Oh, here, ate. Oh, dali. Oh.
One properly boy.
Yay. Okay. Ate Inya. No. They are very friendly. Uy.
Ako yung mata nito, dumudugo.
Ano po, gawa po ng mga langaw sa hayop.
Wala bang ilalagay na ako dyan?
Ano, let's hear.
Spray lang po.
Makulit ito isa yun.
It's okay. Look at that, oh. Ate Anya is there. Okay. Piper, what happened to you? Look at Ate Anya.
Purgahin na yung mga yan, yung mga ganyan.
Look at Ate Anya, oh.
The other one naman. Ano ba si Barok ito? Ito pala pasaway yan.
What are you? Are you afraid of that? Oh, these are the rabbits, be.
Hindi labi dito sa prison dito.
Okay, rib. Okay, rib.
Aggressive!
Aggressive. It's aggressive. Okay, do you want to? Oh my God. Ito yung sutil black sheep.
Ito yung kauna-unahan naging pabrid namin dito.
Hindi, yun na
Anak, don't want you go closer, be. Kay kawawa the ano oh.
Barok, lumag mas malaki si Barok.
mas mabilis lang.
Lalaki, babae nga pala yung una. Si Hart.
It's a conejo.
See that?
Rabbit.
Oh, so furry!
You like rabbits, Kara?
I thought that's your favorite animal.
Yeah.
You do like that?
I bet it's almost gonna break.
No, they're not gonna. It's not. Come on, dali. Let's touch the rabbit here at the back.
Ito po yung mga pet type.
Dali, like this, like oh. Oh, dali. Like this.
Igugong na Kara.
Oh, they cannot.
Bunga yung nakuha nila ng trapol. Naputol na dito? O bago pala ito?
Feed them, Kara. Feed them. Okay.
How do I feed them?
River.
How do I put
Yung
this?
kay mama niyo.
No, that's from the water.
He's hungry pa, babe.
Oh no, he's taking it. I want to feed the rabbits more. Not the...
Come on, it's time na. Dali.
No!
Dali, okay, we're going to get eggs. Dali. Good job. Oh, you put it the last time. Okay, be careful. Little body. Okay.
Here.
It's okay. Okay, put it.
Anya.
Wow, ate. Okay, you get eggs. Be careful, ha?
Get the egg.
Slowly, be.
Get it!
Slowly.
Get the egg. Kara, put it in the basket. Slowly, ha? Oy, it will fall down.
River.
Yeah. River. There, Kara. Get it!
Get Kara. Slowly lang. Dali.
Get the egg!
No, that egg, oh. Put in the basket. Kuya, ubos.
Get the egg!
Ate, ako, ha? Slowly. Anak. You have to, kay mabasag yan, oh. Properly, be. Wait lang. Put properly, kay mabasag yan. Put it. Enough na po na. Mabasag yan, Bim. Wala, you will eat all the eggs that you eat. Ganito everyday yung ano niya? So, hindi kayo nauubusan ng eggs. Ang galing.
Chicken. Still hot. Come from the boat.
I know. I have one.
Okay. Show me, Cara and River, what did you get? Dali.
There's
River.
mommy.
Oh,
Yes?
how about yours, Rib?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, this
Bo.
is new egg that's so
Ito to.
Enough straight from the booty sheet.
Yes, taas mo.
Okay, Cara, you put it here na. Slowly.
It's a fault.
Okay. Okay, Cara in the front. Yes. Diyan natin Anya in the e-bike.
Clutch na?
Ay, wala po.
Oh, dada.
Wala po yan. Ito lang po yung simulator niya. Ayan po, neutral, drive.
Slowly.
Fire.
Yes. Fire in the hole. Where are you going, Bep?
Dito, eh.
Dito po tayo.
Wait. Yung tuhod pala. Kaya pala ayaw lumito. Kawawa naman yung tuhod.
Hindi na siya ma... Oh, come on ka, Anya. Sama kami.
Ma'am, dito po tayo dadaan.
Ah, okay.
Wala sir daan dyan.
Gitawag,
Walang daan. Doon po tayo dadaan.
gitawag na mo, wala mo tubag.
Break! 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 Break!
Gino man lang.
Daddy, tagaan ta nila kuan buko.
Ilaw sir, pwede sa tubig ka. Tabing sa tabilaw.
Uy, 10 minutes lang yan ah.
Yeah, put may additional.
Okay, okay, go, go. Go. Go, Dede.
Kapit ka lang mo din na idea. Sir, buko sa mga kababigla ba?
Fever?
Sabi talaga.
Hindi ko yan maano.
Bawal sa amin yung may lang yung may kasama. Ano ka naman? Safety lang po ba? Safety lang ng alpas.
We had so much fun at El Ranchos. We will definitely come back here again. Thanks for watching. Bye!